Alright, derivative of f of s over g of s is to be f prime of s times g of s minus f of s times g prime of s over g of s squared. Alright, if you want to learn how to prove this formula, please check out the link in the description below. Alright, so example number 1, we're going to apply this formula. Now, f of s is phi s plus 2. G of s is s squared minus 1. So, it turns out to be f prime of s is going to be phi times g of s squared minus 1, right? Minus f of s, which means phi s plus 2 times g prime of s is 2s, right? Over s squared minus 1 altogether squared, right? So we're going to simplify this guy. It turns out to be phi s squared minus 5 minus 10s squared minus 4s, right? Over s squared minus 1 altogether squared. Now it turns out to be phi s squared minus 10s squared is to be negative phi s squared, right? Minus 4s minus 5 over s squared minus 1 altogether squared. This one is the final answer, right? Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine.